Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating the problem, check the jack and cable for visible damage, then power down your device. Once done, remove the strain relief gently with a plastic spudger. You want access to the solder joints. You use a tri-point or small Phillips if there's a hidden screw, and a magnifier helps identify frayed wires. Make sure to keep parts organized in order of removal. While you open the plug housing, look for corrosion or a broken cable core near the connector. You now trace continuity with a multimeter to find the broken conductor. The beep test shows where the fault is. Once found, clip the damaged section and strip about 1.5 to 2 mm of insulation from each conductor. Then tin each exposed wire with a small amount of solder so they hold to the pad cleanly. While soldering, apply heat briefly and use a heat sink on nearby plastic to avoid melting. After soldering, visually confirm joints are shiny and there are no bridges between pads. You reassemble the housing by tucking insulation and the strain relief back in place, then fasten screws in the original sequence so parts align. Once reassembled, test audio on at least 2 devices. Check left and right channels, microphone and remote buttons where applicable. Make sure there's no crackling with cable movement. If you still see intermittent faults, disconnect and inspect for microfractures or weak solder joints. Replacing the entire cable assembly is the next reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.